Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable air quality index in maps on iPhone. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first thing first that you have to do, you have to launch your settings app on your phone. And now in the settings page, you have to scroll it down and find out the maps option. I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna scroll it down and here you are. When you see maps option, just go ahead and I'm gonna tap it right now. After that, again, you have to scroll it down and here you will find climate section. There are air quality index and weather conditions option. Here, I'm gonna swipe in the toggle next to air quality index, switch to the right, like that. And when it's turned green, that means it's enabled. And if you wanna change your mind, you wanna disabling again, just do the same way by swiping the toggle next to air quality index, switch to the left, like that. So yeah guys, just it. To solve it, you just have to go back to the settings page by tap on the undo arrow at the top left, like that. So that's all. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you guys. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.